Welcome to the introductory lecture on cloud computing, brought to you by Skillify. The term cloud computing is a new one, but the concept of cloud computing is not. By definition, cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than using a local server or a personal computer to store data. In layman's term, cloud computing means making use of internet instead of local computers. So what does this mean? In the common workplace, computers on a network are connected to internal network servers that are located usually in an IT department, and its service is maintained by IT staff. So, this is a sort of office library that provides all the digital information within an organization. Employees can access this information by using software that are installed on the office PC. So this what we studies is intranet, which is different from internet, which we use to access the World Wide Web. Most of the leading organizations operate this way. Cloud computing uses the unlimited resources of the internet to operate in the same fashion, minus all of the extremely expensive computer software, hardware, and a team of professionals it takes to operate and maintain this complex equipment. The information is securely stored on data warehouses. Companies are dedicated to maintain security of your data. All the information is still your personal property, just stored on a rental service basis according to your demand. Excited enough to learn this hot technology? We here at Skillify provides a complete course on cloud computing. Starting from the very basic, the course will cover all important elements of cloud computing like effective cloud services, virtualization, cloud models, privacy and cloud computing, etc. Why Skillify? Skillify is an e-learning platform dedicated to bring best-in-class experience to you. So what are you waiting for? Log on to www.skillify.com today to take courses on cloud computing.